Hey, my name is Shane, al-eds Southbay. You want to make sure to get the window nice and wet with the soapy water so that you don't scratch it. We cut the piece of window film out to the size of the glass and start cutting it down. Next, it's time to prep the window for install. We take again our flat razor blade and scrape the inside of the window. Then we use our yellow squeegee it clean. And the most important step is to take a white towel and towel the edges. Then we spray the bottom 3/4 of the glass. We go over to our pattern up on the glass. We spray the top quarter of the pattern after peeling the liner down 3/4 of the way. And now we're ready to install it. So we put up the glass and line the top of the pattern with the top of the glass. We leave a little bit of a gap so that as the window rolls up and down, the film won't peel. This is called the nickel. And we'll spray the glass underneath it to knock out all the debris. And we use our Blue Max to squeegee out the water. Once we've squeegeed out all the water from the film, we use our yellow card to make sure the bottom lays down under the gasket. And we're ready to clean the window off because we're done.